Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Alo. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today we are going to talk about a very important function in Excel, which is the if function. This is a function that you use to make a decision based on the data you have. So if you need to carry out a logical test, such as is this number is 100 greater than 50, or is it less than, or is it equal to, this function will come in very handy. Now let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to write out the function. And I'm going to highlight it here and quickly explain every formula requirement. This is because you need to understand the formula requirements. By formula requirements, I mean this, and this. You need to know what Excel wants from you and understand its meaning. And by doing so, you can be able to feed it with what it needs so that it can return the correct answer that you want. So a logical test is a test, a logical test, such as the one I gave you as an example earlier on, when you say, oh, is 100 greater than 50, or is it less than, or is it equal to? This is a logical test, and the rest are self-explanatory. Value if it's true, and value if false. So we are going to write the formula right now. If the sales value, which is 1,200 here, comma, if the sales value is greater than 50, I'm assuming that $50 is our threshold. If we make anything less than $50, we have not made a very good sale. If we make something greater than that, then it is a good sale for us for the day. So if the sales value for that day is greater than 50, I want it to tell me good sale. Good sale. And then the next one is, if it is less than 50, I want it to tell me bad sale. And I will close. And as you can see, we have everything: good sale, bad sale, good sale, bad sale, good sale, bad sale. Now I can say, okay, if I include a filter, and by the way, I used Alt HSF, which is a shortcut to returning to inputting filter on your distance. So if I want to see all the good sale, I'll just deselect this and say okay. I'll say, oh, these are all my good sales. And if I want to see all the bad sale day, I want to see all the bad sales, and I'll be like, okay, deselect this, and okay, these are all our bad sales for the day. Very simple. And I'll just use Alt HSF to remove the filter again. And this is just as simple as it gets.